Hey, did you know you can start speaking Spanish today, even if you've never learned a single word before? Yep, really. Stick with me, and by the end of the session, you'll be ready to say real sentences in Spanish, not just hola or gracias. Curious? Let's dive in. Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. I'm Anna, and this is your friendly, beginner-friendly Spanish learning podcast. If you've ever wanted to speak Spanish but felt it was too hard, don't worry. Today, we will learn Spanish in a simple, fun way, step by step. I promise, by the end, you will know how to introduce yourself in Spanish, how to ask simple questions, how to talk about daily life. And the best part? You'll be able to start speaking right now, not just memorizing words. Let's start with the very basics. First, some essential Spanish words you need to know today. Hola, hello. Adios, goodbye. Por favor, please. Gracias, thank you.
Lo siento, I'm sorry.
Repeat after me. Hola,
Adios. Por favor. Gracias. Lo siento. Sí?
That was easy, right? Even if it feels a little strange at first, say it out loud. Don't just read it. Now, a little tip. Spanish words are often pronounced exactly how they are written. Unlike English, you don't need to guess. Say hola to greet. Say adios to leave. Use por favor and gracias politely.
Lo siento for sorry.
Quick question for you. Can you try saying hola, gracias right now? Say it out loud.
Perfect.
Introduce yourself. Simple Spanish sentences. Okay, let's make it practical. Imagine you meet someone new. You want to say your name. In Spanish, you say, Me llamo Anna. My name is Anna. Break it down. Me llamo equals my name is. Then your name. Repeat after me. Me llamo Anna. Now, you can ask someone their name too.
¿Cómo te llamas?
What's your name? Yes, the question mark looks funny, but remember, in Spanish, questions start with an upside-down question mark.
Fun, right?
Mini practice. You. Me llamo, your name.
Friend, ¿cómo te llamas?
You. Me llamo, your name.
Sí?
You're already having a tiny conversation in Spanish. Quick tip. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every learner sounds a little funny at first. That's totally normal. Greetings and small talk. Now, let's make your Spanish a bit more friendly. People don't just say their names, right? They also say,
¿Cómo estás?
How are you?
Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Fine, thank you. And you? Repeat with me.
¿Cómo estás? Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Notice how you just said a whole mini conversation? Example. You. Hola, me llamo Anna. Friend. Hola, me llamo Carlos.
¿Cómo estás? Yo. Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
That's it. Real Spanish, real people, real practice. Numbers, days, and time. Next, let's cover numbers and days. Very useful for daily life. Numbers 1 to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Days of the week. Lunes, Monday. Martes, Tuesday.
Miércoles, Wednesday.
Jueves, Thursday. Viernes, Friday. Sábado, Saturday. Domingo, Sunday. Practice saying them while thinking about your schedule. For example, Hoy es lunes. Today is Monday. Mini recap. Numbers 1 to 5 equals uno.
5.
Days equals lunes.
Domingo. Easy sentences. Hoy es de, punto.
Fun tip. Spanish people love using numbers and days in small talk.
Asking ¿Qué día es hoy?
What day is today? Is super common. Daily life phrases. Now, let's make your Spanish useful every day. Some phrases you can use right now.
¿Dónde está el baño?
Where is the bathroom?
Quiero comer.
I want to eat.
Tengo hambre.
I am hungry.
No entiendo.
I don't understand. Repeat after me slowly.
¿Dónde está el baño? Quiero comer. Tengo hambre. No entiendo.
Tip: don't just memorize words. Say them aloud in real situations. Even if you feel silly. That's how you remember. Quick check. Can you say aloud? Tengo hambre. Quiero comer? Yes. You just said a real Spanish sentence. Asking questions, be curious. Questions make you sound smart in Spanish. Here are the basics.
¿Qué?
What?
¿Dónde?
Where?
¿Quién?
Who? Cuándo? When?
¿Por qué? Why?
Mini practice.
¿Qué es esto?
What is this?
¿Dónde está el baño?
Where is the bathroom? Tip: add como.
How? ¿Cómo estás?
How are you?
Sí.
You just learned 5 new questions. Ask questions to start conversations. People love it when you try. Pronunciation and confidence. Some learners worry about pronunciation. Don't worry. Spanish is phonetic, so every letter is pronounced. J sounds like an English H. R is rolled a little, but don't stress. Mini challenge, say aloud.
Rápido, fast.
Gracias. Thank you. Perro, dog. Funny tip, you might sound like a cartoon at first. That's normal. Smile while speaking. It helps with pronunciation and confidence. Practice makes perfect. Now, what's the secret to speaking Spanish fast? Practice every day. Even 5 to 10 minutes is enough if you do it consistently. Ideas. Talk to yourself in Spanish. Me llamo Anam. Label objects in your house. La puerta, the door. Use apps or YouTube for listening practice. Remember, speaking is more important than perfect grammar. Just start talking. Mistakes are your friends. Motivation and mini recap. Okay, quick recap. Today you learned
Basic greetings. Hola, adiós, gracias, por favor.
introduce yourself. Me llamo.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Daily life phrases. Tengo hambre. Quiero comer. No entiendo. Numbers and days. 1.
5. Lunes. Domingo. Questions. ¿Qué? ¿Dónde? ¿Quién? ¿Cuándo? ¿Por qué? ¿Cómo?
And remember, speak, repeat, and don't fear mistakes. Every Spanish learner starts like this. You are doing great. I hope you had fun learning Spanish today. Now, your mission. Try to speak one Spanish sentence today, even if it's just, Hola, me llamo, your name. If you liked this lesson,
hit like.
Comment below your first Spanish sentence. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Spanish lessons. You're on your way to speaking Spanish, one small step at a time. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next episode. Adios.
Hasta luego.